All right, let's go for another session. Let's see what's up. Let's see if we can bring this balance to, let's say, 80 bucks. So let's look for the first opportunity. Okay, we have USD, this one right here, INR. Let's see what happens. We're expecting to go down. As you can see, we're on the downtrends. We had this huge bump, a dump. So it's testing the 50 SMA. Signal is getting weak, or momentum is getting weak. So we are expecting a continuation to the downside. So this candle has to be red. Still not there yet, so it might continue to go up a little bit more. Okay, seems like it's gonna be the next candle. So this is the first one. Let's see how this one is gonna close. We are in. We are in second trade. Okay, we got the first one, and we got the second one. Cool. So we won those two in the second candle. Right, so let's look for the next opportunity. Okay, we have the Euro try here. It's on the uptrend. This is the first candle. Ooh, it's pumping a lot. So this is a zone of interest. Mm, this candle right here pumped a lot. So this one might not have enough juice to go up. Yeah, this area right here, it's an area of interest. Something like this. So it was resisting at some point. Now support. So you can see that we are in the uptrend. We've been on the uptrend, went flat a little bit, back to the uptrend again. So now, if the price fails to break above this zone, then we're gonna have a breakout to the downside or a continuation to the downside. Yeah, he's struggling to go above the 50 SMA, so that might be the case that the price is just gonna go down. Now, in the meantime, I'm gonna look around and see if we can find something else. Okay, we have this one right here. Um, it's on a downtrend, as you can see. You got a few red candles. 86%. It just dropped. I'm tempted to go with this one, but feels like I'm a bit too late now. We have one, two, three, and four candles. Okay, it's cranking down now. But it's in two minds, so might be a risky play. Yeah, the price is gonna go up now, so I'm gonna leave it. That one eventually dumped. So we were here, one, two, three, four, around here somewhere. Eventually dumped, but it's just going up and down. Very indecisive. So when that happens, I prefer not to go with it because it can get easily up or down very quick. So I'm just browsing. Right now, today's Saturday, so not much is happening. And we got just a few pairs paying 92% or above 90%. This one got double top here, so we might not see a good pump. So I'm just gonna have a quick browse, and if there is nothing, that's it. We'll call it a day. Okay, this one eventually cranked up. This one it will try, still here, still fighting. So the downtrend, we had this long candle, a fake out. Still not fucking up. So this one is definitely going to go down. Let's see. Bitcoin. Not good. Good. Like I'm looking at different chart. So expecting this thing to go down. Let's have a look. Very indecisive. So we might just not go with it though. Yeah, it is not going down. All right, let's check our stocks. We only got four. Oh, we missed this one. And we got a few paying 92. Consolidating here. Let's have a look. Mm-mm-mm. So you could say that this is a zone of interest, more or less like that, yeah. And it's gonna crank up, and potentially it's gonna be an opportunity on the zone. I guess that might be the second candle on the zone. Yeah, it's cranking up. If it's the first candle, it's supposed to be the second, but it doesn't look like it's gonna go up. So we just let's see this one cranking up. Yeah, I'm gonna call it as it is, guys, because not much is happening. The payouts are very low. You only got a few with 92. So I think I'm just gonna call it a day. Okay, it's popping up now. Well, yeah, it's not a straight pump. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it as it is today. We've got two trades, two wins. So we made just a little bit over $3. So 76, 74, 76, 74. So we're gonna cover these two. Great. And that's it. So 8 sessions done in 2 days. So stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.